let's do a short meditation today to allow our mind to be in the right place for a settled, calm and peaceful day. The recipe for contentment. Every day is different. Every day brings different challenges and different prizes. The prizes can be in the form of good news, or a great day at work, or bonus time with friends and family. And challenges, as you know, can be anything that life chooses to throw at you, but we always navigate through. So let's relax and do this short meditation to create the recipe in our minds for a positive day. So find that comfortable position. If it feels good, close your eyes and begin to do your relaxation breathing. In through your nose and out through your mouth, or in through your nose and out through your nose. Feel that neck relax, shoulders come down, any tension in the face is loosened, no tightness in the torso, arms and legs relaxed. So visualise how you want your day to be, how do you want it to start. Wake up with gratitude. Be thankful for another day. Be thankful for what you have and acknowledge everything around you. Acknowledge who's there for you. Acknowledge all the positives. What would you choose to have for your breakfast on a good day, on a calm, settled day? Would you take the time to make yourself something from scratch? Is there a favourite cafe that you like to go to? Would you get a little takeaway from a place that is always saved for treats? What's that favourite go-to breakfast on special days or days that are working well in your favour and you've got the time? Maybe you can do that today, or make a plan to do it at some point for yourself this week. Why save it for treats? Which rituals would you like to do on a good day, on an ideal day? Rituals to look after yourself. Would you take the time to have a long shower or a leisurely bath? Would you have a cold shower to invigorate and awaken yourself? Would you take time to use all your favourite products that you keep for special occasions or when you have more pamper time? Would you do a full facial and take lots of steps in your morning routine? Again, think about what always makes you feel good on those days, and think about if you can incorporate it in today or in the next few days to help your mindset. What's your favourite weather to wake up to? Is it sunshine? Is it the sun streaming through the window? Or do you like it when it's fresher and crisper, autumn or winter? Do you like when there's rain tapping on the window? Do you like to wake up to snow? Visualise your favourite mornings and how the weather tends to be on those days. It'll probably put a smile on your face. And what do you love to wear on those perfect days? Do you like to get dressed up and feel the best version of you? Or do you like to feel relaxed and put on all your comfortable wear? Sometimes it's an all-day pyjama day. Or maybe you like to put on your exercise or your yoga or your gym because anything that you wear when you're going out to exercise makes you feel good, makes you feel motivated. You're more inclined to do it if you put those clothes on. And as you take these moments to think mindfully about how you would start that recipe for that successful, happy, content day that works for you, that motivational day, I hope you do have a wonderful day and enjoy the next few minutes meditating on the perfect recipe for a wonderful day for you.